Hello Songbird, welcome to day 7. We've already gone through a week of 21 days to your new voice. It's been such an exciting journey. I hope that you've really enjoyed it as well. It's all about giving you bite-sized things that you can do each day in order to really create the habit of practicing something, of doing something for your voice each day to transform it. I can't wait to hear about your transformation. Anyway, today we are going to talk about the blah 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 exercise, okay? This is so crucial. I reckon 11 times out of 10, if that's even possible, which I think it kind of is because I've seen it way too much, is that we as singers tend to sing with a very tight, clenched jaw, okay? Especially when we go to high notes, we tend to like this, okay? And the teeth are kind of together and the jaw gets all tight and everything. And the thing is, that is going to so hinder you so much. We've got to really learn to let go and get a bit lazy. Hence, we're using the word blah, 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 okay? So just want you to say with me, blah, blah, blah. And what you're going to do is you're going to really let the jaw go. You're going to let your tongue just sort of be lying down in your mouth, kind of fat, like blah, blah, even sticking out a little bit, over the bottom front teeth there, blah, blah, blah. And we're going to sing this exercise. I'm going to do this properly, okay? Again, key to being able to get something out of vocal exercises each day is not to mindlessly go through them, but to do them, in the way that they should be executed. And for this one, it's all about lazy. It's not about a pretty sound, okay? So this is what I mean. So here we're going blah, 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 blah. Yeah? Notice I wasn't singing blah, 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 blah. I wasn't trying to make it pretty. I was literally trying to make it like really lazy. For this one, the uglier it sounds, the better. And the higher you go, the more lazy and the more sloppy and the more uglier you've got to get. So it's got to sound like this. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. You get what I mean? Not blah, 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 blah. Yeah? No. All right, now that I've shown you how it's done, it's your turn. Girls here, guys here. Let's go. Nice and lazy. Let the jaw go. Let the tongue be sloppy. Here we go. Blah, 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 blah. Lazier than that. That's it. Well done. Good, now get lazier. Good. Drop that jaw more. That's it. Let the tongue go. Sloppier. That's it. Remember, the higher we go, the lazier. Lazier. Drop. And we come down. Good. Keep it lazy. Tongue fat. Nice work. That's it. Keep your tongue relaxed. Good. Jaw dropped. Good work. Yay! Fantastic. Now if you can do that, just that little bit of bite-sized exercise each day, you are going to cultivate a way so that you don't sing with strain, which is going to be amazing. So enjoy that exercise today, Songbird, and I can't wait to see you again tomorrow for day 8 of 21 days to your new voice. And congratulate yourself. Give yourself a pat on the back because we're a third of the way through the journey and we've got so much more for you. Now, if you're super keen and you really want to get the knowledge of how to warm up in the best way possible, I've got your back, okay? I've got a free resource that I'd love you to have. So just click on the link below. It'll take you to my website and you'll get it sent to your inbox today, instantly, completely free. So go ahead and get that and enjoy that as well. But I shall see you tomorrow for day 8 of 21 days to your new voice. Thanks, Songbird. Have a good one. Bye.